Hey everyone, welcome to day 2 of your challenge, which is going to be a postural focused flow to open and relieve stress. You'll be needing one block and to be near a wall for today's class. Bringing yourself to a seated position once you're ready. Resting your hands to your knees or your thighs. Just lifting your nose slightly. Let the shoulders draw back. And think about just having that slight tuck in your tailbone here. Reaching up tall with the crown of the head. Take a nice big inhale in. And an exhale out as you close down your eyes. You're just going to start your practice by taking 5 breaths here. Just to really ground and to settle onto your mat today. When you're ready, you can start to blink open your eyes, keeping your hands to your knees. You're just going to start to make some circular movements with your upper body, so dropping the shoulder to center and circling round, and then changing the directions and going the other way. Making this your last circle. And bring yourself back up to center. Inhale, reach your arms towards the ceiling. As you exhale, bring your hands to prayer, and you're going to breathe out your mouth whilst pursing your lips. So it goes like this. Inhale up. Exhale out. Keep on going, 3 more. Last one. Perfect. Bring yourself to an all fours tabletop position on your mat. Hands are going to come underneath shoulders. Knees are underneath your hips. I want you to step your right foot back onto its ball. And think about pressing your heel away from you to engage with your glute here. Option to keep the ball of the foot onto the ground, or you can start to lift that right leg up into the air, keeping those hips nice and square to your mat. If you want the extra challenge, maybe you come to the left fingertips, or maybe you stretch that left arm out in front of you. Nice long line here, pressing into that heel, drawing navel to the belly button, navel to the spine, sorry. Take an inhale, stay long in your neck. And as you exhale, lower yourself back down. We'll do the other side. Step left foot back onto the ball, pressing into the heel so you can engage with your glute. And then maybe you're going to play around with lifting that left leg into the air. Hips stay nice and square. And then maybe you come onto the right fingertips, or maybe that right arm stretches forward. Staying long in the neck, breathing there, pressing the heel away. Big inhale. Exhale, release, right hand down, left knee comes down. Bring yourself onto your fingertips. We're going to go through a couple of rounds of our cat-cow movements. So as you inhale, dropping your belly, lifting your heart. Exhale, chin to chest, press through the hands, sending the spine away. Keep on going. 2 more rounds like this. Making this your last one before you bring yourself back to neutral and come to your child's pose, hips to heels, resting the forehead down to the mat or to a block. And stretching those fingertips forwards. Just taking 2 breaths here. And then as you inhale, rise to all fours. As you exhale, come to your first downward facing dog. Sending those hips up and back, taking a moment to pedal through your legs, wiggle your hips. When you feel ready, you can stop with your movements. Take a nice full breath in your downward facing dog. Inhale, step or walk your feet towards the top of your mat. Dangle over your legs in your Uttanasana, hands to elbows or relax arms heavy to the ground. Maybe you're taking a little sway side to side. Maybe you're staying still. Exhale, release hands to the ground. As you inhale, roll yourself nice and slowly all the way up to standing. Let the shoulders soften down the back and bring yourself to standing. At the top of your mat, feet are hips width in distance. We're going to come into our warrior 3. So I want you to start to send the weight to the right leg. As you reach left leg back into the air, hands come to prayer at your heart center, or you can have your fingertips down onto some blocks here. So you're firming those inner thighs together, drawing right outer hip back and into the midline, and pressing your left heel away from you. That nice long line. Inhale. Exhale, bring yourself back to standing, nice and slow with control. We'll swap sides. Hands to prayer, send weight to left leg. As that right leg starts to reach back into the air, you lean your chest forwards. Firm those inner thighs, press your heel away. That nice long line. Inhale. Exhale, rise to standing. Well done, good job. Grab hold of your block or book, and you're going to place it between your thighs. You're going to squeeze onto that block. I want you to inhale, bend into the knees, squeeze the block, reach the arms out in front of you. As you exhale, you're going to lengthen your legs, send the arms back, squeeze the shoulder blades together and squeeze the glutes forwards. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lengthen, shoulder blades together and back. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lengthen. Keep on going. Inhale, bend. Exhale, lengthen. 5 more. Your own pace. Really focusing on your movements here. 3, 2, last one. Perfect. You're going to bring your block now into your hands. Place it between your palms like you're in that prayer position. And we're going to come back to our warrior 3s. So I want you to start to send the weight to the right leg whilst you're pressing the block together. Left leg goes into the air as you lean the chest forwards, root down through standing leg. Press into the heel, activate your glute. Take an inhale. And as you exhale, rise to standing. Perfect, let's swap sides. Same on the other side, thinking about pressing into that lifted leg heel and engaging your glute in your own time. Lifting that right leg into the air. Leaning the chest forwards. Press into the heel. Use your glutes. Inhale. Exhale, rise to standing. Place your block back between your legs. We're going to come back to those squats. Squeeze the block in between. As you inhale, bend knees, reach arms out. Exhale, arms go back, squeeze shoulder blades together. Keep on going. 8 more. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, all the way to standing. Relax your arms, place your block back down to the floor and bring yourself to standing by a wall. You're going to bring your hand, the palm of your hand, back behind you onto the wall and take a nice stretch into your shoulder here. So you could find that's enough. You don't need to be really close to the wall, but if you want to take it a little bit deeper, then you could step yourself in. Breathing there, keeping that length in your spine. One more breath. And as you exhale, slowly release, relaxing that right arm down. Now bringing your hand back to the wall just to help you support you here. You're going to send the weight into the right foot, bend into the left knee and send the hand up to catch the knee. So we're going to take a nice stretch into our quad here. Think about squeezing that left glute forwards as you press your foot slightly into your hand. Good, exhale, slowly release, and we'll twizzle ourselves round to do the other side. So bring that left palm to the wall. Again, this could be enough, or maybe you start to shuffle yourself in a little bit to go for a bit of a deeper stretch. Last breath. Exhale, slowly release. That left hand comes down, just resting it back to the wall so you can send the weight to the left foot, bend into the right knee, grabbing hold of your foot or your ankle, taking that lovely stretch into your quad again, squeezing that right glute forwards, pressing the foot into the hand slightly. And as you exhale, slowly release, foot comes down. You're going to bring your back onto your wall, pop a slight bend in your knees so you've got your hips and your shoulders are on to the wall. Just relax your arms down by your side and I want you to start to do some pelvis tilts. So you're just tucking that tailbone, tilting the pelvis. And as you exhale, and you're tilting back, I want you to find that lift in the pelvic floor. Just 8 more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good, well done. Bring yourself all the way back up to standing, heading back over to your mat and just taking your feet nice and wide on your mat. You're going to turn your right toes towards the back of the mat. You're going to come into your triangle pose. So just hinging your hips forwards, bringing your fingertips down to your thigh, your shin, the ground. And I just want you to relax this left hand behind your back slightly. You could bring that right hand onto a block here if you want to, if you want a bit more support. And then bringing yourself all the way back up, turning your toes to face the long side of your mat again, grabbing hold of your blocks, having them on the highest setting, placing them down in front of you, and you're just going to rest your hands onto your blocks and really think about staying nice and long in your neck here. Pressing down through the pinky toe edges of the feet. 2 more breaths. Good. Then as you inhale, bending your knees, rise yourself back up to standing. Turn your left toes back to face the top of your mat, and we'll come to our triangle on this side. So hinging the hips forwards, hand comes to the thigh, maybe the shin, the ground, and you're just going to rest that right hand behind your back. Inhale. Exhale, gently bring yourself all the way back up to standing, placing your props to the side, and you're going to make your way to an all fours tabletop position on your mat. Once you're there, I want you to inhale, stretch right arm to the ceiling. Exhale, right hand comes down. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, right hand down. Inhale, left hand up. Exhale, left hand down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Good. Make your way all the way back to seated on your heels if this is comfortable for you. If not, come to cross-legged seated position. Interlacing those hands in front of you. As you inhale, press the knuckles away, chin to chest, sending the spine the other way. Nice big inhale. And as you exhale, lifting, releasing the arms, give a little rolls of those shoulders backwards. And rolling the shoulders forwards. Take a nice big breath in. Exhale, relax your shoulders. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I'll see you again soon.